stand today?
Yes,
I have special something for you. This is a homemade cheesecake, kind of like a taro cheesecake on the house. Of course, we got a little birthday candle so you can make your birthday wish. Alright, are you ready everyone? We're on 3. 1, 2, 3.